Hi guys, I'm Conrad and this is Plant Basics. So South Africa had its first week of lockdown last week, and when I went to the grocery store for my weekly shopping, I found these three orchids on sale, and so today now Gracie and I are going to take them out of the packaging for you, and we're just going to talk about it, and I'll talk about the health and Phalaenopsis orchids in general, and also my African grey Lex is talking and making noises in the background. So if you hear sudden noises, it's her. So these were actually on a special, 3 for the price of 2. And when I saw them, I was just like, no, I have to have these. And I'm gonna almost rescue them. So Phalaenopsis orchids are actually one of my favorite orchids because they're so easy to care for. And they make ideal house plants and gifts. So this plant actually looks quite healthy. The roots are nice and moist and green. The leaves, I hope these will straighten out, but usually when they've been kept in the plastic like that, they tend to remain upright. But I'll see now perhaps if they with time can flatten out. And I love the pink. It's such a beautiful color, so I'm quite happy with this one. So let's see what the others look like. This is a pink one. I mean, this is a white one with a pink lip. So, she loves packaging. Again, this plant looks healthy, so you can't always be sure with supermarket orchids, because people who look after them in the store, I mean, they're obviously not orchid experts. So this plant looks very healthy, and if you look at how beautiful this, look at this big pan, I'm quite happy with this plant. Also nice and green roots. Doesn't look like it has any dead roots. This is what glass looks like, which normally happens when you move your plant from, let's say, cooler temperatures to hotter temperatures, where there's temperature variation, there's a difference in humidity between the store and your home. So then unopened plants can start to fall. Okay, so that's the second one, and let's look at this one. It's a big pink one. And I find it so funny, other people are going to the shops and buying hand sanitizer and toilet paper, and I'm coming back with orchids. A typical plant person. So I love this color. Oh, it's such a beautiful pink color. I just absolutely love it. Now, what I actually want to do is I'm going to have these up on my shelf, so when they flower again, you can have the blue sprays coming through between the green. This plant has a bit of a damaged leaf over here, but that's not the end of the world. Plant itself also looks healthy and sturdy, beautiful roots. I must actually say I'm quite happy with these 3 plants, but in some ways I'm also sad because when I got these at the store, there was another 3 on the shelf, so now I should have actually bought 6. but I thought that 6 would be a bit extra. I knew if I came home with 6, I would have been in trouble. But anyway, so yeah, so these are my like quarantine, lockdown orchids. So I hope that you guys stay safe wherever you are, and that you still enjoy your plants and enjoy your orchids. Thank you so much.